Good morning, guys. Okay, today we will start our first lecture for the subject management. As in previous lecture, we have discussed the syllabus. What is the brief syllabus for the subject management? Here we will start our first lecture. The first lecture is nothing but your introduction to management. So in previous lecture, I have discussed one example regarding your management system. So in this lecture, we will start the introductory part to management. Means what do we mean by management? Actually, in previous lecture we have studied where we have gone through the concept of management, that management is nothing but the things which needs to be done through peoples. Okay, so this is the simple definition, that things we need to do through the help of peoples in effective and efficient way. Okay, so this is the structure of your syllabus for this first unit, the introduction to management. So the first point is nothing but your definitions. So what are the different definitions of management? Then second point is levels of management. We will see what are the different levels of management, means top level management, middle level management, low level management. Then next term is the functions of management. What are the functions, different functions of management? Then next we will see the concept of planning, in which we will discuss about the types of planning, the planning processes, which are the planning processes are there. Okay, then next is the organizing. So organizing, it means we will see in this organizing topic organizational design and structure. Also we will see what is the concept of staffing, directing. Okay, then next point is your controlling. So what are the basic control processes? Okay, then we will see what is the Fayol's principle of management, or what is the definition which is given by this Fayol. Okay, then next we will see the Taylor's principle of scientific management, and next we will move to the point Maslow's motivational theory. Okay, so this is the syllabus for this first unit. Okay, this is the brief syllabus for this first unit, means introduction to management. So we will see these all topics step by step. So first, management. So in previous lecture, actually we have gone through our simplest example, means what the in which way management will follow his rules and principles. Okay, so basically what, so management is nothing but we need to execute the things to achieve our goals or to achieve our targets with the help or through, you can say, with the help of peoples, or with you can say, if there is an organization, then there must be some employees to execute these things to get or to achieve the goals. Okay, so management is nothing but it is the attainment. Okay, it is the attainment of organizational goals. It means we need to achieve some organizational goals in an effective and efficient manner. Okay, so management is nothing but attainment. Attainment is means, it means we need to achieve something. Here something is nothing but organizational goals. So management is the attainment of organizational goals in an effective and efficient manner through planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling organizational resources. Okay, so these planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling organizational resources, these are the steps to execute or to achieve our goals, organizational goals. Suppose, for example, if any organizational goal is to achieve a 4 crore of turnover per year, so to execute or to achieve this goal, we need to execute our work in effective and efficient manner, and for this we need these things, means for this we need a planning, a proper planning is required. A proper organizing is required. Proper staffing is also required. Similarly, a directing and controlling organizational resources are also required to execute or to get or to achieve the organizational goal. So simply, management is nothing but the attainment of organizational goals in an effective and efficient manner. Okay, so in previous lecture we have seen that it is management is nothing but the things to be done through peoples, or you can say through resources. Now here resources means there may be various types of resources like men, material. These are the examples of the resources. Okay, so management is nothing but this is the attainment here, this word it is in a bold letter. Why? Because attainment is nothing but we need to achieve our goals. So attainment is the word, is the keyword here we have used. So management is nothing but it is the attainment of organizational goals in an effective and efficient manner through planning. So first step is planning, second step is organizing, third step is staffing, and fourth step is directing and also controlling the organizational resources in optimistic way. Okay, so this is nothing but your management concept. So management, it is simple definition means we need to execute the things through people in efficient and effective manner. So this is the definition. So management is nothing but the attainment of organizational goals in an effective and efficient manner through planning, organizing, staffing, and also by controlling the organizational resources. So this is about your management or the concept of management. So this diagram, okay, this is the diagram in which look first column it says the resources. So what are the resources? There are four, for example, human, or you can say a man. Financial resources should be there, physical resources should be there, informational resources should be there. By using these resources we need to do some plans. Okay, so these are the four steps. First one is planning, second one is organizing, third one is directing, and fourth one is controlling. So controlling, it means controlling your resources in optimistic way. Okay, and why we are doing these steps? Because to get our achievements, means as we know that management is nothing but attainment of the organizational goals or organizational motives. So to execute these goals we need to do some proper planning first, then organizing, third one is directing, and fourth one is your controlling. So controlling it is nothing but your controlling the resources in optimistic way. Okay, so this is the concept of management. Then next, so efficiently and effectively. Here this word we have used in our definition, that things to be done through peoples or through resources in efficient and effective way to achieve our organizational goals. Okay, so these are the 4 M's. 4 M's means the organizational resources. So first one is your men, human beings. Second one is your money. These are the organizational resources. Actually we have discussed these what is the process of organizational controlling the organizational resources. This is the 4th step. First one is your planning, second one is your first one is planning, second one is your organizing, third one is directing, and fourth one is your controlling. Controlling, it means controlling your organizational resources. So what are these organizational resources? So first one is your men means human being. Second one is your money, means financial things we need to control. Third one is your machines, and fourth one is your materials or raw materials. Okay, so we need to control these organizational resources in a very optimistic way. Okay, so these are the 4 M's of the management. First one is men, money, machines, and material. Okay, now we will see some definitions of the management. Okay, so according to Louis E. Boone and David L. Coates, The definition for management is the use of people. Okay, look, the use of people and other resources to accomplish objectives. So the meaning is same. It means we will use people's and our organizational resources to achieve our organizational goals. Okay, so this is your simple definition. So it is nothing but the use of people and other resources to accomplish the objectives. Okay, now next definition is what? According to Mary Parker Follett, the definition for this management is that the act of getting things done through people. Okay, so this is also same. Here what we are doing, so here we are executing our work to get our organizational goal, but by using the resources. Here resources is what? People is the resources. So this is also a simple definition, the act of getting things done through people. Now next is what? Taylor defines the management as the art of knowing what you want to do in the best and cheapest way. So it is nothing but we need to execute our organizational resources in optimistic manner. It means we need to execute this, or we need to work on this organizational resources in a cheapest and in a best way. Okay, to achieve our organizational goals. So simply, the management is nothing but it is the use of organizational resources to accomplish our objectives or to achieve our organizational goal. So this is the basic definition of your management. Now next we will see some characteristics of the management. So first one is what? Management is a distinct process. Okay, so it is a different process. Then next characteristic is what? It is a organized activity. So organized activity, it means, as we know that we need to organize, or first we need to plan, then we need to organize. Organize means we need to organize all our organizational resources in a optimistic manner, or in a best and in a cheapest manner. Okay, then next one is what? Management aims at the accomplishment of predetermined objective. It means our goal, organizational goal is set. Okay, so to achieve these organizational goals, we need to execute some planning, we need to execute some organizing, we need to organize the resources in such a way that in a cheapest way or in a optimistic way. Then next, management is a group activity. Okay, then next one is management principles are universal in nature. Okay, and next final characteristic of the management is the management integrates human and other resources. Okay, so here it will integrate, because integration of these 4Ms. 4Ms means man, then material, machines. Okay, these are the 4 Ms. So it will integrate these 4 organizational resources to achieve our goals. Okay, so up to this we have covered the definitions of management and the characteristics of management. Now in next lecture we will see the levels of management. Okay, so here I will conclude this lecture, and in next lecture we will start from our next concept, that is level of management. So as there are, I have discussed these things also, that top level management, middle level management and lower level management. So we will briefly discuss these things in next lecture. So here I will conclude this lecture. Thank you.